All right guys, I'm gonna show you how to elevate your next roast veg meal. It's gonna be Hasselback sliced up super fine. It's gonna concertina open with beautiful veg. And then we're gonna do a sweet and sour toppings that comes out of the oven. Basically what Hasselback is gonna lay whatever veg you have on hand flat on the chopping board and you slice it down, almost like a concertina slinky style thing.
Oh, but not all the way through.
Not all the way through, so you're gonna leave the base uncut. So when it roasts and everything sort of shrinks, it sort of opens up and you can see down there. And what happens is, it means the veg cooks quick, it means it caramelizes beautifully, and it looks super, super sexy. So our first step is our prep. We're gonna Hasselback all of our veg. I've got some zucchinis, some carrots, and some cool little eggplants here. I'm gonna throw down some tomatoes and some Brussels sprouts, and we're gonna roast it in the oven, so 200 degrees. It's gonna take about 15-20 minutes. You want it caramelized and beautiful. Just a little trick. So if you're having trouble not slicing it all the way through or slicing it all the way through, what you can do is just set your vegetable at a different level. So say get 2 chopping boards like I have here, a little chopping board, and then you can just slice it all the way down to the higher chopping board. It just means you will never cut through your veg. In with some fresh tomatoes. They're gonna blister and caramelize and go super gorgeous. Got some Brussels sprouts here. I'm just gonna half them and pop them in the tray as well. So what I'm gonna do is gonna add some whole cloves of garlic and they're gonna get roasted in there as well. I'm gonna hit it with a whole heap of olive oil. Good pinch of salt, pinch of turmeric. Okay, in the oven, 200 degrees. It's gonna take about 15 to 20 minutes. And what you're after is, you want that veg to be golden, you want it to be crispy, you want it to be tender, and then it's ready to go. Okay, so while that's cooking, I'm gonna make the beautiful dressing. So a little bit of apple cider vinegar, good hit of olive oil. Gonna go some honey in there as well, garlic. Close it up, give it a shake. Gorgeous sweet and sour dressing, ready for our veg. All right, so straight out of the oven and on with the dressing. And it's gonna steam and, like I said, take in all that beautiful flavor. It's all gonna fall in between those little slices and suck in that flavor like sponge. I mean, how awesome does that look? I'm just gonna plate this up. Garlic, and you can see what I mean about this. See the garlic, look. Tender, caramelized, it's like a little flavor machine. Super soft. And when you roast garlic, it's not as intense as when it's raw. It's sort of sweet, it's chewy. It's just a die for. I'm salivating just thinking about it. So we're just gonna finish that off with a dollop of beautiful hummus, a few pomegranate seeds. And there we have it. Humble roast veg taken to the next level. Hasselbacked, garlic, sweet and sour, like chips but not naughty. Thanks for watching. Check out all our other videos and we're gonna see you next week. Pew!